Hi Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic love situation. Hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo Capricorn. Tingnan natin kung anong energy mo and your person about love or romantic situation. Capricorn. Energy ng person mo and yourself about love and romantic situation. Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay. Okay. So Capricorn, it seems maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a Gemini, Aquarius, Scorpio, Virgo, also a fire sign at Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Libra or air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Okay. Yeah. Nag-iisip yung person ninyo ngayon kung paano ayusin ang inyong sitwasyon. Maybe for some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng problema or difficulties, no, in your love relationship or sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? May mga kailangang ayusin or maging honest sa isa't isa, kailangan pag-usapan. So, yung person na to nag-iisip for some of you, no? Kung ano yung root cause, kung ano yung naging problema. Pero on your part, merong emotional distance, no? Or emotional separation for some of you, kung hindi man physical. Okay? Yung person mo gusto niyang ayusin or gusto niyang matapos kung meron man kayong conflict or issues, no? Gusto niyang resolbahin, kumbaga. Okay, you miss this person. You Capricorn, it seems na parang may mga times na parang gusto mong umalis or gusto mong iwanan or you want to be separated from this person. But you cannot do that. Okay, 100% for some of you. It's because may pinagsamahan kayo, mahalaga, no? Yung pinagsamahan o yung mga memories ninyong dalawa. So, it's like siguro parang best friends or matagal na talaga kayo ng tao na to. Okay? Your person is thinking kung ano yung mas makapagbigay ng kapanatagan ng loob sa inyo, Capricorn. Okay? You are thinking a lot, no? Siguro for some of you, nagdududa kayo sa ginagawa ng person ninyo, okay? Naguguluhan sa sitwasyon. You feel that your person is a player or manipulating you, something like that. Okay? Your person wants peace, wants clarity. Gusto niya ring ayusin kung ano yung problema mo or anong nangyayari sa inyo, Capricorn. Maybe you are thinking negatively about this person. Kasi parang naapektuhan kayo, no, sa inyong sitwasyon or sa inyong relationship. Okay? So, maybe your person also is missing the fun that you have with him or her, no? Maybe kailangan mo ibalik yung sigla sa sarili mo, Capricorn, and not to think too much, no, about the situation or about the relationship. Tingnan natin. Yeah, it feels that your person also, parang merong sense of uncertainty siyang nararamdaman sa connection ninyong dalawa. Kasi alam niya that you are thinking about him or her. Like, kung ano man tong gumugulo sa isip mo, like a distraction in your relationship. Okay? Parang feeling niya parang hindi siya secure din sa'yo emotionally kasi parang apektado ka. Kung naapektuhan ka, naapektuhan din yung person mo. And that's why parang gusto niyang i-work out kung ano man yung problema sa inyong dalawa. Communication is needed. Merong desire yung person mo na ayusin, no? Okay? The Hangman, tingnan natin. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. Yes, nag-iisip yung person mo how to communicate or to have a deep conversation with you. Definitely, meron siyang gustong ayusin. And maybe your person is also thinking about a breakthrough, no? Sa life niya. Maybe about work. Okay? Yeah. Maybe he or she is doing something sa work. Busy yung tao, yung person ninyo, and you are thinking a lot. I mean, on a negative side, something like that. Just take what resonates for you. And iwanan kung hindi para sa inyo. Okay? What about? Yeah, Six of Cups. So, you know, your person is meron siyang issues na kailangan ding ayusin, no? Work-related ito. Maybe sa mga colleagues niya or meron siyang mga grupo, no, na kailangan niya mag-maintain din ng relationship niya doon. Okay? Your person wants a breakthrough. Wala, in the energy here, parang siguro busy lang din talaga yung person mo about communicating with other people. Okay? Building a relationship, a working relationship, no? Something like that. Okay? Yeah. And also, when it comes to this, your person, aside dun sa work niya, yung person mo gusto niya din talagang magkaroon kayo ng harmony, no, in your relationship, balance, pag-uusap, working together, support from you, something like that. Okay? Tingnan natin, the Magician. Maybe your person is dealing with other people. Okay? Na kinakailangan niya sa trabaho niya. The Magician. Let's see. The Hermit. Yes. Naisip ka ng person mo. Pinag-iisipan niya ng mabuti din kung anong nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Yes, may mga plano siya about you. Okay? About sa inyong dalawa. This is about having a good life, no? For both of you. Or if you have a family, yes, for your family, sa inyong dalawa, okay? So, nagmumuni-muni din yung person mo kung paano. And, para ang iniisip ng person mo about future, okay? Yeah, about work, creativity, something like that. Abundance, prosperity. Merong plans yung person mo. And, he or she, parang nagsisik din siya ng support from you, okay? That, hoping na maintindihan mo siya. Death or rebirth. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Your person wants to have a future with you. Okay? Nag-introspect, nag-iisip din siya. Yes. So, your person wants to end the conflict. Kung ano man meron kayong dalawang conflict or issues in the relationship. And gusto niya maging maayos kayong dalawa. Yes. Kung ano man to nalulungkot yung person mo. It's because merong yung meron kayong conflict. And gusto niyang gusto niyang mawala. Gusto niyang marisolbahan. Gusto niyang ma-resolve, kumbaga. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, maybe you are thinking that your person is having another person, which is something na ikinalulungkot ng person mo. Okay? Na parang siya siya na ayaw niyang mag-isip ka ng hindi maganda. Something like that. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. But definitely, your person wants to end, no, a situation na merong conflict or merong pagdududa. Okay? Yes, the Hermit. You're thinking a lot about this, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. The Hermit. Yeah, so see also you, Capricorn, you want a something solid, no, sa relationship ninyo. Commitment, pera, successful relationship, material wise, something like that. You're thinking about this also. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, gusto mo din talaga ng solid foundation or a new beginning with your person kung meron mang conflict or issues kayong dalawa. So, kailangan lang talaga siguro ng deep conversation, no? Or honest conversation para maresolbahan. Okay? Yeah, King of Wands, yes. You want your person to take action. Okay? You want your person na ilatag or sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mga plans niya, kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yung person mo parang nalulungkot that yung dating ikaw, maybe for some of you, yung parang nawala yung fun, yung pagiging empress, something like that. Okay? Because you are thinking a lot. You are on your head a lot, Capricorn. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. The Sun. Okay. So yung challenge mo din, yung problema mo din with your person is that yung parang hindi na rin, kumbaga na-miss mo yung dating kayo. Okay? Yung parang masaya, lagi kayong magkasama, something like that. Okay? And that is your problem. So that's why nag-iisip ka. Okay? Your person meron siyang plan. Maybe your person is ambitious, no? Thinking about money. Meron siyang mga kinakausap, build a relationship with other people, okay? Or meron din siya mga tinutulungan about work, okay? Marami siyang mga plans, may iisipan, and gusto niya i-end yung conflict na meron nito kasi nalulungkot din siya sa situation, okay? Dahil maybe meron kayong conflict or issues, parang hindi din siya makafocus, okay? And you miss the fun with him or her, Capricorn, for some of you. And parang yun yung problem, yun yung gusto mong mangyari. And yet, parang feeling mo parang hindi ka na nabibigyan ng pansin or nabibigyan ng oras. So, Swords. Okay, see? So, 3 of Swords, yeah. You are thinking there is a third-party energy that you are thinking about, okay? Past pains, mga past disappointments mo, you're thinking about third party, okay? Meron kayong mga negative thoughts, meron kayong mga pagdududa that maybe your person is doing something. And for some of you, you are deciding on something but you cannot make a decision. Okay? Merong stalemate sa inyong relationship, merong disappointment, okay, nalulungkot, okay? Yeah. So, Queen of Wands. So, merong something, maybe sa work, something like that, na iniisip niyo that your person is nagloloko, okay? So, nag-iisip kayo ng negative or hindi maganda in the situation. Yeah, merong doubts, merong pagdududa. Okay? And you are hurt about this. Page of Cups. See? So, look after yourself, Capricorn. Okay? So, have fun. Huwag ka mag-dwell sa isang sitwasyon na parang yun lagi yung naiisip mo. So, ilabas mo yung sarili mo sa pag-iisip ng hindi negative. Okay, for some of you, you feel that it's true, malakas yung inyong intuition. Okay? But for your own sake, kailangan mong alagaan yung sarili mo. Think about yourself. Okay? Eight of Cups, see? So, let go. Let go of things na parang hindi naman makakabuti para sa inyo. Look for something meaningful. Okay? Na para sa sarili mo. Ibalik mo yung kasiglan, yung pagiging fun mo. Okay? Yeah, and pagiging witty, something like that. Yeah. So, kung merong mga, unahin mo yung sarili mo. Yeah. Kailangan mo ng enlightenment spiritually. You need to grow spiritually. Do not dwell ang situation na parang lalo ka lang nalulugmok. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. Kasi, parang papunta ka no dun sa point na parang meron ka ng, ano tawag doon, yung parang obsession of something, negative thoughts, no? Addiction na parang ito lagi yung iniisip mo, pabalik-balik, something like that. Because of that, there must be something, no, in the situation. But on the part of your person, based dito sa energy na to, your person is looking forward about the future, about abundance, okay? Ending a conflict with you, or kung ano man yung problema ninyong dalawa, okay? Gusto niya bigyan ng solusyon niya. Gusto niya i-work out. Okay? Yeah. So, Capricorn, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!